Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting access and enabling the feature. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Sound Recognition. Turn the main switch on so the phone can listen. Next, tap sounds and pick the events you want: alarms, doorbells, smoke detectors, or baby crying, because each selected sound trains the model to notify you. Make sure your iPhone has enough battery and is not in low power mode. Otherwise, background monitoring may be limited. Once you have sounds selected, customize notifications so alerts reach you. Open each sound and enable or disable notification banners, critical alerts if available, and choose a vibration pattern. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb settings allow sound recognition notifications. Add the app to a loud list if needed. You can test detection by playing a safe sample sound, watch for the banner, and listen for the alert. This confirms both detection and delivery paths are working together. To finish, update iOS regularly because newer releases improve model accuracy and battery handling. Make sure location and microphone privacy settings don't block system listening. Sound recognition runs locally, but permissions still matter. If you miss alerts, restart your iPhone and toggle sound recognition off then on. This often restores detection. If problems persist, remove and re-add the specific sounds or contact Apple support. Remember, consistent testing and updates keep the feature reliable, so check periodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.